Proportional Relationships Worksheet, questions 10 through 15. I'm going to start with 10 through 12. For 10 through 12, you're simply naming the slope and the y-intercept for each equation. Remember, it's in slope-intercept form, so y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. It's just this right here, where the slope is in front of x and the y-intercept is behind x. Slope is in front of x, y-intercept is behind x. So I'm going to do number 10 with you. Again, slope is in front of x. So my slope for number 10 is -3. Y-intercept is behind x. So since it's plus 6, it would be a positive 6. And that's all you need to do for 11 and 12. If you need more help with that, you could go to the last set of notes. Right under example 1, you'll see the big y equals mx plus b, and underneath that, we did 4 examples right here in the middle, A, B, C, and D. If you need help, you could look at those to know what to do for questions 10 through 12. 13 through 15. You're going to state the unit rate of each equation. Well, when you're given an equation, if you want to find the unit rate, well, the unit rate is the same as the slope. So the first thing you need to do is you need to put it in slope-intercept form. Where did we do that? We did that right up here in 7 through 9. And if you even look, number 9 and number 14 are the same problem. 9 and 14 are the same exact problem. So you're going to start it out the same way. It's just you're going to go one step farther for the last or for the final answer. So 13 through 15 is done exactly like you did 7 through 9, and 9 and 14 are even the same equation. So for 14, all you'd have to do is copy down what I did for number 9. I'm going to do number 15 with you. Okay, so I'm solving for y, just like we did in 7 through 9. So I'm going to start by taking the x term to the other side of the equation. Since that's up negative 12x, I'm going to add 12x to both sides. Cancel the x terms on the left side. Bring down my 20y. 0 plus 12x would just be 12x. Don't forget the x. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 20 because I want to isolate the variable. Allows me to cancel that out. So y equals bring up my calculator here. Start with the fraction button. I got 20. Try that again. 20 over, oh sorry, it's 12 over 20. 12 over 20. Hit equals. Change it to a fraction, so that's 3/5. So y equals 3/5 x. Now, that's exactly like what we did in 7 through 9. I solved for the y, so y equals 3/5 x. But now we need to go one step farther. We need to go one step farther because the final answer is the slope, because the unit rate is the same as the slope. And the slope is what is in front of x. So I'm looking at this number right there. So my final answer, unit rate equals the slope, which equals 3/5. And that's my final answer. All right. You would do, again, I already solved 14 is the same as number 9. It's already solved. So the only one you'd have to solve on your own is 13. And then remember, the unit rate, which is the slope, is the number in front of x. Now, I just want you to notice that up here, there's an x, but in my final answer, there's no x. If you have any questions on 10 through 15, please let me know.